As teachers, you give your all to your students every day. You work tirelessly to help them learn and grow, but who is taking care of you? There are so many products and ideas out there for self-care, but do they really work for you? Have you tried something that just didn't work and didn't really make you feel any better? It's easy to get lost in the sea of self-care advice, especially when everyone is telling you what you should do to feel better. But what if I told you that you can find your own self-care solution that uniquely works for you? Introducing Self-Care Solutions, a 90-minute workshop where you will participate in a creative activity to discover your real self-care needs. You'll create a personalized plan to realistically cut back and take control of the things that really matter. And you'll energize your self-care with actions that are doable and will work for you. It's time to take care of yourself, to pause and reflect on what you actually need. This is how you can really focus on both your personal and professional life. Don't miss out on this opportunity to give yourself the gift of self-care. Sign up now for Self-Care Solutions and discover what will work for you.